Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to remove multiple devices from Google Play Store using your smartphone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store, then tap on the profile icon and go to Google account. Now just swipe to the left side and select security. Now on this page, under your devices section, just tap on manage all devices. Now from here, just sign out the devices you no longer want to be connected to your Play Store. Now just enter your Gmail password. Now once you enter your Gmail password, just tap on next and select sign out. Now just select OK. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the Google Chrome icon. Then tap on the eye icon and go to storage. Now just select clear data and select clear all data. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open Google Chrome. Now just log into using the same Gmail account as your Play Store. Then select continue. Tap on yes, I'm in. Tap on more and select I got it. Now in the search bar, just search play.google.com. Then tap on the profile icon and select library and devices. From here, select devices. Now after that, just tap on the three dots and select desktop site. Now from here, just uncheck the devices to prevent them from being shown in the Play Store. Just like that. Now once you do that, just tap on the three dots again and tap on desktop site. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the Play Store icon. Now just tap on the eye icon, then go to storage. From here, select clear cache. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store. Now as you can see, this is how you can remove multiple devices from Play Store using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.